Today we will be taking a look at the GF75 thin laptop. Within the box we find the laptop as well as accessories like the AC power adapter and cable, quick start guide, and warranty registration card. A protective cloth can be found between the screen and keyboard to guard and keep the screen clean from smudges when the lid is closed. The GF75 thin features USB 3.2 Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI, and AMP+ audio jacks for connectivity. A built-in SteelSeries red backlit keyboard is also provided alongside a precision touchpad. This laptop is no slouch when it comes to gaming due to configurations providing up to an Intel Core i7-9750H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q GPU. Cooler Boost technology ensures temperatures stay down even after a long gaming session. A thin bezel surrounds the 17.3-inch Full HD 1080p display. The GF75 thin has a weight nearing 4.8 pounds and dimensions of about 15.6 inches in width, about 10.2 inches in depth, and only 0.9 inches in height while closed. Stay light on your feet while gaming with the GF75 thin laptop.